You may be wondering, is this really possible to get paid to read emails? The answer is yes, it is. In fact, there are plenty of apps and tools out there that can help you earn some extra cash simply by reading emails. Going through all your emails every day can be a bit of a headache, especially when you have to spend an hour sifting through the important ones and the spammy ones. If only there were some way you could make money out of it. Today, I am going to show you how to make $730 just opening emails. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Inbox dollars. If you've ever tried searching for ways to make money online, you must have come across Inbox dollars. One of the most popular sites out there, it is an excellent way to read emails and make money. Whether you're on your desktop computer or mobile, you can use Inbox dollars anywhere, anytime. You get a $5 bonus for just signing up, and then more when you complete your profile. The platform sends various companies' emails to your inbox. When you open and read them, you earn money from it. Moreover, when there aren't any new emails to read, you can do numerous other things as well. You can answer surveys, search through their search bar, or even do some shopping for a chance to earn more cash. You need at least $30 in your account to be able to cash out. The good news is that Inbox dollars will give you a $5 bonus just for signing up. Vindale Research. Are you not in the mood to read emails but still want the cash? No problem. Vindale Research will reward you for money for just opening and viewing their emails. It might sound hard to believe, but this authentic site will legit help you make money receiving email. There's no confusing point system. You straight up earn cash for reading your emails. There's a $50 limit for withdrawing your earnings. This might seem like a very large amount, but once you start with your emails, the money racks up pretty quickly. If you want to reach that limit even quicker, there's a ton of other stuff you can do for more cash. You can fill in daily surveys, answer polls, watch videos, and a lot more. There's also lots of bonuses. You instantly get a $1 reward for simply joining. Subscribe to their emails and you get another $2. Get a friend to start using Vindale Research and you get another $5 bonus in your account. Just like that, you end up with $50 in your account, which you can get through your PayPal account. My points. Sure, reading emails can earn you extra money. However, you know how you can earn even more cash through those same emails? You'll notice that sometimes the emails you get have some sort of action for you. It could be to follow a link to another website or click a button. By doing these extra tasks and essentially responding to your emails, you get a chance to make more money. The question arises though, how do you do this? MyPoints. Another safe and authentic site, MyPoints rewards you 5 points every time you open an email and use the link provided to visit its partners. $1 is equal to around 140 points. You need at least $5 to get a gift card and at least $25 to get the direct cash through PayPal. To help you reach that amount faster, MyPoints offers various ways to earn points on your computer or phone. When you get tired of reading and responding to emails, you can watch some videos for a while, which can earn you up to 500 points in a day. Additionally, you can shop online, play games, and even refer a friend. Swagbucks. It's pretty much impossible to talk about making money online and not include Swagbucks. With more than 20 million users, it's safe to say it's one of the best platforms out there. It's completely free to join, and you can rest assured that you will get your money. Swagbucks offers a wide variety of tasks that you can complete for Swagbucks coins. These include answering surveys, watching videos, playing games, cashback shopping, searching on the internet, and many more. All this helps you earn Swagbucks, where 100 Swagbucks is equal to $1. You get a bonus reward for simply signing up, too. Therefore, you can imagine how long it takes to rack up a considerable amount of money. Eventually, you can get your earnings through gift cards or get the cash through PayPal. It's available for Android and iOS phones both, so you can read emails and make money anywhere. Inbox Pays. Inbox Pays is another great site to get paid to open emails and read them. It's free to join, and you can actually get a $5 bonus for signing up to get you going. There are a ton of different activities to earn money. You can play games, take surveys, refer friends to the site for more rewards. The best part is the emails. You get emails sent to your inbox every day, so no day goes by without you earning anything. The emails are mainly from advertisers who ask you to click on a link and complete some kind of offer. You can make about 25 cents per email, so it's hard not to quickly collect a significant amount. The minimum payout limit is $25, after which you can simply get the cash through your PayPal account. Fusion Cash. Another excellent option for when you're wondering how to make money and specifically how to get paid to read emails is Fusion Cash. It's a site similar to Swagbucks, but a bit more specific on what you can do. You get a $5 bonus just for signing up, and then as you continue to read your emails, you'll earn even more money. The minimum payout amount is $25, which means you'll be reading emails for a while before you get your hands on the cash. However, with all the extra ways to earn more money, you'll be cashing out in no time. You can answer surveys, play games, participate in the forum, refer friends, and more to add to your earnings account. Furthermore, cashing out is quite simple too. You can opt for a check in the mail or go for a direct deposit through PayPal. The best part is that there's no processing fee, so you'll get your full cash amount. The site is pretty safe to use as well, as it keeps your credit card usage optional and not compulsory. Daily Rewards. Run by the same company as Inbox Dollars, Daily Rewards is another great way to make money online. It works similarly as most of the sites mentioned, so you won't have any trouble getting the hang of it. To start, you'll need to sign up, which is completely free, and then complete a short profile survey. This will help the site know you better so they can send you more relevant emails that would be of interest to you. You'll then start to receive emails in your inbox, and you can open and click on the link to earn money. One cool thing about this site is that it tells you beforehand precisely how much a certain email will reward you. This way, you know how much you will make. You can do plenty of other small tasks as well, such as surfing the web, watching videos, and a lot more. Cash Crate. If all the sites mentioned until now seem to have a high payout limit, this next platform will be perfect for you. Cash Crate is a fantastic and entirely safe-to-use site that allows you to get paid to read emails, PayPal the money, and enjoy your life with your extra income. Joining is easy and free. You get a $1 reward for signing up. Then as you start receiving the emails, you get a chance to earn more. The emails are usually from advertisers and might contain some affiliate links. When you click on these links or go to advertisers' websites, you earn cash. Sometimes you'll get survey invites in your inbox as well. Moreover, you can even play games, shop online, and refer friends for a chance to increase your earnings. Once you've got at least $20 in your account, you can cash out with a check in your mail. Unique Rewards. Despite that name, there aren't any unique rewards on this platform. However, Unique Rewards is still an excellent way to get paid to read emails. It's an entirely safe and authentic site, and pretty easy to use as well with video tutorials. You can join for free, after which you'll get a $5 bonus just for that. Refer a couple of friends, and you'll get further $5 for every person. Then, you can start reading the emails in your inbox to start earning money. They are mostly from advertisers, and they might ask you to click on a link sometimes. Other than that, you answer surveys, shop online, and complete other offers as well. The minimum payout is $20, which directly goes to your PayPal account, or you can opt for receiving a check in the mail. Conclusion: whether you loved reading your emails or detested it, it doesn't really matter, because with these ways to get paid to read emails, you're going to enjoy doing it now. With the easy-to-use platforms and loads of other ways to add to your income, it'll definitely be something you'll look forward to every day. Thanks for watching, guys. To learn more ways to make money online, click the next video on your screen now.